June exams, prelims, finals, tests during the term, if you're working on analytical geometry, chances that you are going to be asked to prove that a straight line is a tangent to a circle are quite high. So you want to be able to answer questions like that. Right? So here they're asking us to prove that y is equal to 3x plus 10 is a tangent to the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. We have a straight line, we have a circle. They want us to prove that this straight line is a tangent to this circle. Anytime you're going to be asked to prove questions like this, you want to remember one key thing, right? Firstly, a tangent is a line that will only touch this circle once. So if you're going to prove that this is a tangent to this circle, all you need to do is you want to work out these two equations simultaneously, or rather, you want to work out where these two equations meet, right? Obviously, if this is a tangent to this circle, then you want to get one solution. That's if it is a tangent, right? If you get two solutions, right, then it is not a tangent. If you get 0 solutions, then it's also not a tangent, right? So that's the idea behind working out, or rather proving that this is a tangent to this circle. All you want to do is you want to check where they intersect, and you should just get one solution. If you get one solution, it's a tangent. If you get two solutions, it's not a tangent. If you get 0 solutions, it's also not a tangent. So that's what we're going to do. So in terms of us working out where these two equations meet, we know that we are always going to do simultaneous equations. Luckily, in our case, with equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 already has y on its own, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this value for y and then sub it into our second equation and then get a point where the two meet. So we're going to take equation 1 and we're going to throw it into equation 2. So we've just expanded the brackets, or the bracket rather. We FOILed, and then this is what we have at the end, right? It's a quadratic equation which we can work out using our quadratic formula. So in a case like this, most people would prefer to take out 10 as a common factor first before throwing it into your quadratic equation. What I can safely say is it does not matter how you do it. If you want to take out 10 first as a common factor and then throw it in your quadratic formula, that's fine. If you want to just leave it like this, that's also fine, right? I'm going to go ahead and take out the 10 because the smaller the numbers, the better. So this, we're going to throw it into our quadratic equation, or we can just factorize the way it is now. This is going to give us, right? And then this is clearly telling us that our x value is only going to be a -3, right? Two brackets looking exactly the same. If you want, you can just take one of them, equal to 0, x equal to -3, right? We only have one solution, so this is clearly telling us that our tangent slash straight line will only meet our circle once, because we are only getting one x value where these two are going to meet. You won't even need to work out the y value where they meet, because the point is you just want to prove that this straight line is a tangent, right? So all you would need to do is to show that this straight line meets this circle only once.